Hey you guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video we're going to be taking the Jeep Liberty for a test drive. Now, I should have recorded it. I just finished filling up the transfer case with fluid and topping it off, perfectly leveled, and all it needed really was 1 quart of tranny fluid. And yeah, the oil in there was dirty. I probably should have rinsed it or drained it and then throw some full I think it takes 2 quarts to fill it, maybe a quart and a half. And that's probably what I should have done, but this is just temporary for now. So it's all topped off with half fresh and half used oil, which will be okay. I'm not running it dry. So I'm going to take you guys on an adventure right now. We're going to go take it around the block a few times and see exactly how it runs and operates, and I will test the 4-wheel drive also as soon as I get back. So let's get to it. All right, let's start her up. I do got an airbag light on, still figuring that out. Gas light, obviously, I gotta get gas. Nice and sound, nice and quiet. Everything works good. I just gotta check that. What I'm gonna do right now is just throw it in neutral and then put it in low and all that. I did once already, but let me just back up here a little bit. Okay, put it in, let's see. Okay, that is part-time. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there it says part-time. That would be 4 high for this transfer case. You know, obviously I'm not going to be able to know if that's working properly, but I'm sure it is. Now let's throw it in low. What I should do is jack the Jeep up so I can see if all 4 wheels are moving. Okay. Should say low over here. I can't see very well on the camera. Yeah, this is 4 low right there. So that's low. Yeah, you could really feel that low gear. Yeah, you could really feel that. Yeah. Okay, let's go back down into... It's so tough. Okay, it's 4 high and then 2-wheel drive. Okay. Let's take this around the block. Try this out. I think maybe I'll put it up on some jacks, maybe. And we'll see if all 4 wheels are turning for 4-wheel drive. Oof. The tires rub at full lock whenever I'm in reverse because those control arms, they move upwards a little bit, like toward the front end as I'm reversing. Okay. Everything's good. Feeling nice so far. Got some creaking going on. Take a left here. Everything sounds good. I haven't gotten it up to speed yet. I'm sure that I will get probably a slight vibration. That's why I wanted to get control arms on this thing in the first place, so that I can get that pinion angle right. But that's for my next project. Here's a tad bit of squeaking, but this thing has been sitting for a long time, so gotta work out all the quirks. Okay. It's driving quite nice, actually. think maybe I'm gonna back it in. My mirrors are a little off, so can't really tell where the heck I'm going. All right, got it parked up. The steering wheel is crooked. I gotta do a wheel alignment. Put that straight again and do a wheel alignment on this thing. I'm just gonna do it myself. Just needs the toe angle to be right. Got it all backed up now. Ran right, but what I should be doing is jacking it up, obviously, and seeing if all four of those wheels are turning. If my brother was with me, I'd go down to the river right now, the wash, and go take it in some sand and see if it's engaging. But I'm sure it's engaging. I mean, I feel 4 low happening, but just because I feel that low gearing doesn't mean the front diff is working. So we'll see what happens whenever I jack it up. That will probably be for the next video whenever I do that. But I'm happy, I'm excited, and it runs good. The steering is a little funky. I don't know what he had done to the steering. If he replaced it, I think he said he replaced the rack and pinion mount. It was loose or something like that. So I think he said that they fixed that, but the steering wheel is a little bit sticky. It when you turn it, like, you got to nudge it to the direction you want it to go. So I'm gonna have to look into that a little bit deeper. I did just look into it, but not good enough. So yeah, I'm going to be getting deeper into that these following videos coming up, and we'll be able to see more of this Jeep Liberty. But I'm happy. It drove nice. The tires still perfectly fine, obviously. I didn't feel no flat spots, especially not in the rear, but in the fronts. These haven't been driven on in a very long time. So, but the name brand BF Goodrich, good tires, man. Always give those a good review, that's for sure. Yeah, I like it, and I'm happy with it. That is for sure. I'm about to detail it right now on the inside. I just bought a shop vac inside of there. I'm gonna vacuum it out and start just doing a little bit of things for right now and getting that ready. I'm gonna throw the scrape plate on it soon. Got the shop vac right there, and we're gonna get down and start cleaning on this thing a little bit more than what I already did. It's still a bit dirty. I did take that seat out. Right now this seat is loose as a goose. It's not even bolted in. I took it out because I'm just gonna pull both of these seats out when I'm ready, and I'm just gonna go crazy on cleaning it. But yeah, it bugs me. I've got an airbag light, so I gotta fix that airbag light, and once I get that fixed, I'll be a lot happier. Not so much stress on that, because when I sell it, I don't want an airbag light, definitely. And this thing has some clunking and clinking that I gotta really look into also. Coming from that side, I'm gonna check out that strut tower and see if all the bolts are nice and tight on that thing still. They should be. But that's my plan for right now. I don't know if I'll get any footage of me just doing a quick vacuum on it. I'm just gonna test that vacuum out. It's a two horsepower engine, so yeah, we'll see how that turns out. It should be strong. Yeah, it should be nice and strong, not bad. Let me check this window real quick. This driver window didn't want to roll down on me, so let me see. It seems like, no, still not. Okay, I think that window motor is shot on there. I'm gonna replace that, because I think the regulator might be fine. I'm gonna have to ask that last owner and see what he had problems. If he had problems, I'll rip off that door panel and replace the window regulator and motor if I have to. No big deal. I already did it on the passenger side 2 years ago, and that one's still working flawlessly. So, and that was with an eBay motor and regulator. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watched all of it about the upgrades and just everything about the video. I hope you guys liked, and about the things of explaining about the painting, if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know. I'm going to be getting on that and doing that also. I hope you guys really liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is Fun Automotive, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.